Hello everyone. So in this section we will see how to make a wireless water level indicator. I think I uploaded this setup in 2015, but from 2015 till now mostly people are demanding to upload a circuit diagram and code. So today I am sharing my code and my Proteus circuit diagram. So here you can see this is the wireless water level indicator. The Proteus circuit is showing here. So now go to main Proteus. So this is the Proteus circuit and this is the Proteus software. So here you can see this is the 16 cross 2 alphanumeric LCD, and there is a 1 7 segment is connected to a microcontroller. So here I am using 8 mega 16 microcontroller. This is work on AVR, all virtual disk. So now let's discuss this circuit diagram. So this is the reset switch. Here you can see it is connected to pin number 9, reset of 8 mega 16, and this is a 16 cross 2 LCD which is connected to port C. Here you can see uh, VSS and VE pin number 1 and pin number 3 are usually we ground this pin, and pin number 2 VDD. In this Proteus circuit there is no need to specify plus 5 volt or plus 3.3 volt. It is already internally connected to plus 5 volt, and the pin number 4 5 and 6 RSRWE as usually be connected to any port, so it is connected to port number C07 C2. We connected this 4 pin to the ground, and rest pin D4 D5 D6 D7 is connected to C4 C5 C6 C7. So it means a 16 cross 2 whole LCD connected to a port number C. Now comes to the 7 segment. This is the 7 segment which is connected to port number D. Here you can see like this, and it is a common anode. Here you can see this is the anode is connected to this 7 segment. So I am using common anode. Don't confuse with common cathode and common cathode. Here I am specifying that I am using common anode. Now go here. So this is the external crystal oscillator which is a 12 megahertz. I use an external connector which improve the performance of this microcontroller. So this is signal 1, that means this 4 wire 1 2 3 4, this is the level indicator. The 4 wire will directly go to your tank. Here I am using this switch button, but in the next section we will see how to connect this 4.2 to a wireless system. So this is 1 2 3 and 4. Now I am going to 1, and this is the LED indicator. This LED shows 0, that means your tank is empty. This LED shows level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4, and there is one more LED you are not able to show here, so I am less changing this. Now you can see there is one more LED. In this Proteus circuit diagram I am using a LED, but actually it's a relay, 5 volt relay, and you can use any relay, 12 volt relay, 24 volt relay, by using a transistor between this. So now let's discuss once again. This is a level 0, that means empty, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and it's a relay. Now I am going towards the code of the circuit diagram. Now I made a code in CodeVision AVR. So now I am opening my CodeVision AVR software. So this is the CodeVision AVR software. So here you can see I opened the CodeVision AVR. Now go to file, create new, source file not, create a project. Okay, you are about to create a new project. Do you want to use the CodeVision Wizard AVR? Yes. Which microcontroller I am using? 8 mega. So 8090 select. Okay. Okay, so In this section you have to go to alphanumeric LCD, go to enable. Now here you can see I already told you that I connected 16 cross 2 LCD from a port C, so you have to select RS pin I connected to port C bit 0. So RS connected to port C pin number 0, RD enable pin number 1 and 2, and D4, D5, D6 of 16 cross 2 is connected to C4, C5, C6 and C7, and this is the character line I used 16 cross 2. So this is setup. Now go to chip, 8 mega 16 is already selected here. Now go to program and select generate, save and exit. So here it will ask for AVR. I'm selecting file. Don't be confused. Here you can select any folder where you want to create your code. So I open this. Now it asks for file name, so I am making any file name, water level indicator. Save. It asks for 3 times. I selected 1 time. Now same name for 2nd time. Third time it will ask again. Here you can see it's the 3rd time. Water level indicator. Save. Okay, so the file is creating. Here you can see the file is successfully created, and this is a dummy software, dummy code. Here I already gave you the code in the description section, where you can click on link and go to your code. So I am pasting this code, Ctrl V. So this is the code of this Proteus circuit diagram. Here you can see H include header file is selected mega16.h. This is a delay function. This is the function for LCD. Here I connected. I used port V as the output. DDRB, DDRA is the and DDRD. This is used for LCD. Here you can see port D. Now let's go to Proteus. Port D for 7 segment. I defined here LCD integer 16. So now go to main code. If pin number 8.3, let's see here, pin number 8.3, this is the pin number 8.3. Pin number 8.3, when pin number 8.3 is 1, port V is connected to LED. Port V LED number A0, A1, A2, A3. When 8.3 equals to 1, port B, B0, B1, B2, B3, B3 LED. B3 LED is last one. Last one LED means tank full. If 8.3 high, port B LED number B.3 will go to high, and this is the function of 7 segment. Port D, it will show 4. This is the code for digit number 4. 8.7 is 0. 8.7 means 8.7 is connected to relay. A7 is connected to relay. A7 will go low, and LED will show made in India, tank full. After a little bit delay, it will goes to made in India, and so here it will blink continue after 0.7 second. So same function for 8.2. When pin number 8.2 goes to high, B2 LED B2 will high, and port D will show 3, made in India, water level 75%. same for pin 8.1. This is the B1. B1 LED will go high and port D will show 2. Here if pin 8.0 will go high, port B.0 LED will high and port D 7 segment will show 1. That means your water level is 25%. Else if any pin is not high, then it will show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. B.4 B4 LED will show high. That means your tank is empty. And port D, this is the code for 0 digit. Port D will show 0. And this is the port 8.7. Here you can see it's showing 1. It means whenever your tank goes to empty, your motor will directly on. This is the relay. When there is no water in the tank, your relay will automatically on. After some delay, the 16x2 display will show made in India, tank empty. So this is overall the code for this wireless water level indicator. Now I am going to upload this code into my Proteus. So Control S, I am saving this code, and Control plus F9 to compile this code. Here you can see 1863 lines compiled, no error, no warning. So in this code there is no error, no warning. That means your code is successfully done without any error. So now I am going to upload my code. Now open Proteus, double click on this, select your file. Okay, I make a file in wireless water level indicator. Just open this and use .cof file. Okay, open. Okay, so code is built in this controller. Now go to run. Here you can see my code is successfully running. Okay, so this is already 1. Now go to 0. Okay, so now start. If there is no water in the tank, the display will show made in India, tank empty, and 7 segment will show 0 digit. And this, the I already told you, this is the LED for empty signal. I am showing. So this is the LED for empty. This is 1 quarter, half, 3rd quarter, full. Reset button, motor on, off. This is the LED indicator for on and off, and level indicator. This is for levels, 16x2 and the 7 segment. So now I already as I told you, this 4 wire will go to directly tank with a VCC volt, a reference. So if signal 1 is filled with water, let's see, 1, another LED, it's a LED of 1 quarter. 1 quarter LED is glowing and your motor is continuing working. As I told you, if there is no water in the tank, display will show 0, 16x2 will show tank empty, and your relay will continue work. So go to second level. Okay, water level 50%, second position, and relays continue working, and this is the LED for half. Now go to third. It is showing 3, third level, made in India, water level 75%, relays continue working, and this is the LED indication for 3rd quarter. Now go to 4th. Here you can see there is a good function. Whenever your tank will goes to level 4, that means whenever your tank goes to high, your relay will automatically off, and it will show tank full, level 4. See this. When your tank goes to fill, that means your fourth position is filled with water, your relay is automatically off and it is showing tank full. This is the LED indication of tank full. 16 cross 2 showing tank full, and this is the 7 segment is showing level 4. Now go to backward. Suppose that your tank is full. Now you use your water in your household, so your water is decreasing from your tank. Now water goes to level 3rd. Okay, here you can see there is a good logic. LED is showing 3rd quarter level 3 made in India, water level 75%, but your relay is not on here. That means now your relay will on when your tank again goes to empty. See, your water is decreasing continue. Level 2, water level 50%, LED showing half, but your relay is not on. Now it is going LED indicator 1, level 1, made in India, water level indicator 25%, it is showing 1 quarter. Now see here carefully, when your tank goes to empty, this relay will again on. See, now your tank is empty and relay is again on. That means whenever your tank will go to empty, your relay will automatically on, and when the tank will full, your relay will automatically off. In another word, you can say when there is no water in your tank, the motor will automatically switch on, and when your tank is full, the motor will automatically switch off. Here you can see made in India, tank empty. So in this section I told you how to design a Proteus circuit diagram and what is the code of this diagram. You can find this code in the below description. There is one link given. So in the next section, in the next part, I will tell you how to connect this 4 level to a wireless system. Thank you all.